DIY Craft Club here, and we're going to be doing a quick review of the Cricut Explore Air 2. And this one here comes in 5 different colors, so you're going to be able to choose from the rose, lilac, and they have a really nice mint green colored one, and then of course the blue and the matte black, which is a super popular color to get. And there is one thing that we really like about the Cricut is that you can go anywhere and find any kind of accessory that you need to buy, and also cutting substrates that you can see in the background there. They have everything from glitter paper, vinyl, so pretty much everything you can imagine. And these will cut on over 100 types of materials. So they're gonna cut on cardstock, vinyl, faux leather, adhesive foils, poster board, pretty much everything that you can think of. And one thing that is really nice about the Cricuts is that you can either use their own substrates to cut on, or you can just go and find your own glitter papers or cardstock from wherever. So one of the things that is really good about this is that you can make your own custom stickers. So if you have an Etsy store and like to sell different kinds of things to your customers, it's easy to do. And if you've always wanted to try to make your own big flowers that you see everyone doing right now, these are actually perfect for that. And of course, greeting cards, you can make lots of cutouts for different kinds of greeting cards. And the fine point blade for cutting vinyl and faux leather. You can make your own tags, just so many different ideas for that. Another thing that is really great about these is that you can go and upload your own images for free using your computer or your tablet or your phone using Cricut's free design software that they have. And you're just going to get so many different kinds of ideas. There's thousands of templates. Well, we hope this helped you and you can decide whether the Cricut is right for you. Thanks for watching.